Welcome to our video on Mastery Connect assessments and their various types. As a teacher, you can find resources for creating assessments through the Community LMS link and the Canvas Course Help Center. Let's revisit multiple choice options. Standard multiple choice, multiple responses, and choice matrix are key types for assessment design. A multiple choice, single response question asks students to select only one correct answer from a provided list. Multiple choice, multiple responses allows students to select one or more correct options from a list of choices. A choice matrix question requires students to select responses for several related question stems that share the same answer choices. Beyond multiple choice, text-based questions include choice matrix, order list, classification, highlight, close association, close dropdown, and close text. A choice matrix is a multiple choice style question where several related questions share the same response options, often used for true or false scenarios. Order list questions require students to drag and drop response choices into a specific sequence, similar to sorting but in a single column. Classification questions use a drag and drop feature, allowing students to categorize responses into appropriate cells based on a given stimulus. Highlight questions are word-based, enabling students to highlight specific words, sentences, or paragraphs in a passage. Close association is a fill-in-the-blank question where students drag and drop response options to complete empty sections of text. In a close drop-down question, each blank in the text is pre-populated with a drop-down menu for students to select the correct response. Closed text questions are fill-in-the-blank questions where students type the missing word directly into a blank text box. Image-based questions offer interactive ways to assess understanding. They include label image with drag and drop, image drop-down, image highlight, and hotspot questions. Label image with drag and drop allows students to drag and place answer choices onto specific empty locations on an image. Image drop-down questions are fill-in-the-blank on an image, where each blank has a drop-down menu of potential responses. Image highlight questions let students visually interact with an image by drawing or highlighting specific areas in response to a prompt. Hotspot questions allow students to select a specific, predefined section of an image as their answer to a given stimulus. Math-related questions cover a wide range of interactive assessment types, from entering formulas to plotting graphs and shading shapes. A math formula question is a fill-in-the-blank item requiring students to enter mathematical expressions using a LaTeX editor. Formula essay questions allow students to combine both text and mathematical formulas in their response, requiring teacher grading. Simple shading questions prompt students to fill in or shade portions of a shape in response to a given stimulus. Simple chart questions require students to adjust plot areas on an interactive chart based on specific prompts. Number line association questions allow students to drag and drop points onto a number line, indicating their positions. Number line plot questions enable students to plot various elements like points, segments, or rays on an interactive number line. Graph plotting questions allow students to add points, lines, or parabolas onto an interactive graph, ideal for demonstrating math or science data. Image close math formula questions enable the uploading of math images, which can then be labeled with numbers, equations, or inequalities. Close math formula is a fill-in-the-blank question specifically designed for students to input mathematical formulas. This concludes our video on various types of Mastery Connect assessment questions. Thank you for watching.